Hello guys, this is yours Phani from Phani Software. So today we're going to discussing about how to upload the image into a database. So here upload image into database. Upload image. So here we have two types of image uploading will be there here. So first one is image into database, and second one is image into file system. So now we will discussing about first one, how to upload the image into a database. Image into database. Later we will discuss about the image into a file system, no problem. First we will learn about how to upload the image into a database. So in which softwares we require for this achieve this mechanism? Softwares required. So first one is Eclipse IDE, and the second one is we have to work with JSP and servlets, and we have to one Tomcat server, and for one database Oracle or MySQL, what we will choose, like MySQL. Yes, it's fine. MySQL database. And finally, must and should we have a Java, right? Java. So we have these five softwares first of all installed in our system. Okay, fine. Next we have to see the how to upload the image into a database, just a description manner. So first of all, what we are doing now, we have just diagrammatically will represent, like first of all we take one JSP page, we create one JSP here. Yes, one file will be there. Browse. Yeah. So you have one browse button here, and file chooser. It is a file chooser, and after that you will click on submit button. Here the submit button, and along with you have to take two additional fields, like some text fields, no problem, because of some standards we have to follow in that. These are the text fields, just assume like a text field. This is some ID, and this is name text field, and one submit button will be there. Whenever we click the submit button, so how it will be going to store that database. Main we have to important is image, right? So you have to choose image here. So this is the image, and whenever click the submit button, the image, in which format the image will be there, like the .jpg or something format. So this is our database. This is our database. In that 3 columns will be there in our table. Yeah, what is the columns here? ID, and name, that image. This is the 3 columns. Of course, we know the data types of the columns, right? ID is varchar 2 or integer, name is a varchar, and image is a long blob. This is the main important thing. So here we take long blob data type in the database. Yeah, okay, fine. So whenever we click the submit button, this JSP file can convert into some bits and binary string object. Okay, so whenever we click the submit button, it will convert into bits and binary strings. Bits and binary string. It's like a zeros and ones. Of course, we know about that. 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Say bits and binary format, right? Okay. So we have to convert our image.jsp file, JPG, or any file. We have to convert into zeros and ones, and finally we have to store this binary stream object into the database. Using, we have one method for JDBC. We have to set binary stream method. Set binary stream. Set binary stream method. We have to use set binary stream method and store this binary stream object into that image field or database, whatever it is. So this is the actual procedure we have to following now. So let's begin the practical oriented procedure. Okay, so I hope you understood this procedure, graphical oriented procedure. Now we have to go to how to achieve this mechanism using the practical oriented. Yeah, so I want to open Eclipse IDE. Yes, this is the Eclipse IDE. Of course, we are all know about, right? Because of you are the Java developers, I know. So we have one database, MySQL database graphical interface. So first of all, I need to create one table for storing the data. So these are all the databases inside that MySQL server. So I choose yeah, this I'm choosing Gucci. It's my database. Inside that database, I need to create one table, create table, or we have to use command prompt. Also, we have to create the table by using the queries like create table name. Like we have to, of course, we are all are proficient in article, I hope. So I need to, now I am using graphical user interface. So we have to use some field name, right? ID. I'm taking data type as varchar, and length I take some 20, no problem, and take primary key also, and the second one name, image name, and we have to take varchar, and make sure this is not I mean MySQL doesn't contain the varchar2. Okay, it's varchar2 belongs to only article. So here name will take some 40, length, and finally we take image field. So make sure you have to choose here long blob. Okay, long blob, there is no size here, there is a long blob, and create table. Yes, and you have to take one name. So what we take image upload is my okay. You have to confusion right. Yes, I take gallery or take image. That's enough. Okay, image upload. Image upload is my table name. Okay, fine. Click OK. Table created successfully. Do you want to add more tables? No. And we have to see the table here and description columns. Yes, ID, name, image. Okay. Okay, my table is ready in MySQL database. Now we have to start the coding. So this is Eclipse IDE and I'm configuring Tomcat server. Of course, we are all are know about how to configure the server into that. Okay, so just to see how to configure the server here, just click here for the server, and I'm using the Eclipse, sorry, Tomcat server. Yeah, Apache Tomcat 8.5. I want to use, so I'm choosing 8.5. Yes, and next. Yeah, it will take us some time because of Eclipse. It is so slow in my system. Okay, so we have to browse here where we have to store the Apache Tomcat 8.5 server. We have to browse here. Yes, here successfully added our server here. So just right click on server and start the server. Yeah, okay, here it is a major problem whenever we are using the servers, Tomcat servers in Eclipse, like fourth number is already running in our system. So in this fourth already our server is running. So that's why the solution of this is just double click on the server and you have to find here port numbers, right? So just remove and change the port number like 8080 to 8081 and control S, save that and close it, and once again restart the server. Waiting for, is it running for, yes, fine, it's running, no problem. Yes, successfully it's running. Okay, fine. Next we have to create one dynamic web project. Right click on the project explorer, new dynamic web project. Yes, now we have to take one project name like image uploading. I am taking image uploading using database using database, and click next, and generate web.xml. Click finish. Of course, we will discussing before discussing about in previous tutorials what is the dynamic web project structure, what is web.xml, what is deployment descriptor files. All are discussed in sessions. So in under what is about the web applications. So now we have to create one JSP page, right? So under the web content folder, right click on that and choose new JSP. Yes, take a JSP file name like uh, um, home home.jsp. Yeah, fine. I click finish. Yeah, so I don't want this window. Double click on home.jsp. I want to increase the size. These are also one of the challenge when we going to using Eclipse. Yes, now I want to change the font of my Eclipse IDE workspace. Like go to Windows, sorry, and preferences. and choose general option, and here you have to choose appearance and color and fonts. Then you have to choose basic, then go to text font, double click on that, and you have to find one dialog box like font dialog box. There we have to increase the font whatever you want, and I am taking bold and console. This is my favorite font, and click OK and just apply, and you have to view here and apply and close. Yeah, fine. Then I have to take one title like home, and I have to create one form for image uploading center, and I am taking one title like uh, image uploading, and take one table here, table row tag. So inside the table row tag I have three TDs like table definition tag, TD and the slash TD. So I have three, and copy this and paste here. Yeah, I have four TDs. In first TD I have ID, and here we take the input, type is equals to text box, and make sure you have to mention name ID. Yeah, fine. And same thing we have to make their name, and of course sorry, input type is equals to text, name is equals to name. Okay, fine. Next how to choose image. It's a file. Yes, here you have to choose file chooser here. Input type is equals to file, and make one name like I am taking image. Then after that I am taking one submit button. So I am taking one TD only, and here I have to merge the two columns like constant is equals to 2, and take the input type is equals to submit, value is equal to upload. Yes, fine. And we have to take one form tag. Make sure we have to use form tag. In before tutorials we have to discussing about how to communicate intercommunication between the JSPs and servlets. We have to watch those tutorials. And action is equals to target file, method is equals to post, because it is a form submission, right? And just end this form in after the TR. So able to, I am closing one here, and here I am opening one here. Here I am closing one here. Here last here. Here also one here. as TA. So I don't want to be here on right. So okay, fine. I completed my U page. Just we have to run this U page and we have to understood what this looks like our page. Run on server. Next. Finish. Yes. This is our view page, image uploading view page. We have to click upload button. It will go to the one servlet. So we have to make one servlet now. That is the next step here.
What's in the image?
So now we want to create one servlet here. So go to Java resources folder, src folder, right click on src folder and take new servlet. Make sure you have to choose one package, com.image uploading.controller. So it is acting as a controller in my application. Then class name image upload servlet. Click next, and the image upload is my URL mapping. Click next, and we don't need to take any methods. Of course, yeah, I have post method because of we are using form submission, right? That's why we take post method and click finish. Yes, this is my servlet. So just remove the annotations here and documentation because of we will simply identify the servlet and program. As we observe here annotation of servlet like image upload, right? We just copy this annotation URL pattern, Control C, and paste into action tag. Sorry, paste into action tag in the form tag, action attribute in the form tag. Yes. So I have to write the code here. So first of all, I am taking three values from the JSP page. So string ID is equals to request dot get parameter of name of the text box is ID. String name is equals to request dot get parameter of name. We get the name, and we have to take string image is equals to request dot get parameter of image. So here we have to get path of the image. Now we take the image file from the given path. That's why we use file input string. So we have to take file input string. FIS is equals to new file input stream of new file. So file you have to import and you have to pass the path. So image and I will file not found exception. You have to throw the exception. I will no problem. Fine. So we have ID and name and file input stream also we have to there. FIS contains bits and binaries of image. Now we store these data into database. So now we have to create the connection. So that's why I'm making separate class like a connection class. Inside the src, new, take one class, class, and give one package utility or helper, whatever you have you can take utilities, and name db connection. db connection is my class name, and we have to write here take one method like the get connection method, and it returns connection object. That's why I'm taking return type as connection. Import the connection from SQL. So take like a public modifier because of it is visible for all the things, and return some take initially null value because of it seems like ugly errors, right? That's why I'm taking one null value. Sorry, null value. Now we have to create connection class dot for name, driver name, com dot mysql dot driver dot udbc dot driver. Then we have to make the connection. It throws an exception, so that's why I'm taking try and catch here. Catch exception. If there any exception, we have to print. Or okay, no problem. System dot out dot println. Just we have to print that message of the exception. Next, make the connection. Driver manager dot get connection. So we have to pass the URL here. jdbc colon mysql colon / localhost colon 3306. It's my port number of the mysql / and database. I am choosing Guji is my database, and after that I am giving username and password. My username is root in database username, and the password of my database is I'm taking Phani. Yes, Phani. So it returns connection object. That's why I'm holding connection con is equals to yes. So after that I'm receiving the connection, right? I just return the connection con. So we have to declare connection in instance variable. So here only we have to declare connection con is equals to null, and just remove here within the connection. Yeah, that's fine. And make sure we don't create the object of this one. That's why I'm taking static method. static, and we have to make it also static. Yes, fine. So my database connectivity class is ready, and I have to go to my image upload servlet and get the connection object. Connection count is equals to, so my class name is db connection, right? db connection dot, because of static method of get connection static method, right? That's why we call using class on as we get the connection. We just import the java.sql package. Yes, fine. So I need a connection now. So I have a connection. So by using connection, we have to store the data. So what we have to do, prepare state. We have to create a prepare state. Prepare statement is equals to connection dot prepare statement of SQL query. We have to pass here. So insert into, what is the table name here? Image upload. Image upload of id comma name and image, and values of, we have to pass dynamic data, right? That's why you have to take the question marks. Yeah, and yeah, it throws an exception, so I have to make the try and catch. Try and catch exception E. Just not out that thing telling me that. So inside the try block we have to write prepare statement. After that we have to execute our query. Yes, dot execute update, because we are storing, right? Execute update. So it returns int value. Int n. So we have to display one message in console. That's why if n is greater than 0, then we have to print or out.println, no problem. Print writer we have to take, right? So print writer. So response dot get writer dot print println. So we have to print successfully uploaded. Yeah, this is my database connection, and we have to set each and every field into dynamic data, right? That's why ps dot set string, because of first id is string format. That's why I'm taking string first question mark, and what we have to pass id. Yes, then ps dot set string, we have to store the name, right? And the second question mark we have to pass name variable. Then just observe here, this is the most important step. Set binary stream. Okay, binary stream, you have to observe here the method set binary stream int. It will take the argument as integer index and input stream. We pass input stream object. So set binary stream third index and FIS. This is binary bits and binary stream, right? Binary stream object FIS, right? So this is the FIS, right? That's why we have to pass here. So it will go to stored into the database. So finally we complete the program of image uploading, and once we have to run and test that program. So just close here, and home.js is our first page, right? First page, and run as run on server. Next and finish. Restart the server. Yes, it will be started. Yeah, fine. Yes. Okay, so I'm taking id as 1, then I'm taking name as my name is Phani, and browse the data. So I'm taking image like myself. Yes, I'm taking this image. Let's try it. Is it stored or not? Just upload. Yes, image upload. File not found exception. So Vijay, what is this error here? Here action tag will be there, right? We just start our image upload and let's check. Yeah, we have to just put dot in front of our address and just restart our server. Reload it. Yeah, one and take name, and we have to browse image and image. Yes, and upload it. Yeah, we find an exception like class not one exception. So it takes jar. So we forget for taking the jar file. So just make sure we have to take the JDBC jar. So I'm taking JDBC drivers. Yes, this is my jar. Just copy, Control C, and go to Eclipse and paste into link folder. You have to find link here, whereby in a folder. Just Control V. You have to paste here, right? Then you have to restart your server. Restart your page, refresh your page, and enter one Phani and upload the image and upload it. Yeah, here come my SQL loading, right? So we have to okay, just observe, just tick clear here, server. So once stop our server and clean the server, clean. Okay, yes, we have to clean our server, right? Once again clean the server and clean the working directory also. Okay, good. Now we have to run the server. Run on server. Next, finish. One. So waiting on the storage. Successfully uploaded. Okay, are you see the message? Yes, successfully uploaded. So once you have to find our database. This is my database, MySQL database. Once you have to find database. Inside the Bridge database, I have a table called image upload, right? I just write here, select start from image upload and run that program. Yeah, you have to find here one and finding binary image. Okay, 410k. Yeah, fine. So I hope guys, I hope you like my video. I hope you understand what we are doing now. We have to complete uploading the image into the database. So if you want to like my videos tutorials, please like and subscribe. For more updations, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.